Smart channel management with real-time OTA synchronization. Smart hotel pricing with monthly, bulk, dynamic and derived rates. Easily manage monthly hotel room rates across all OTAs with smart rate management, inventory sync, and real-time availability tracking. Easily update rates across multiple room types, selected date ranges, and specific days while instantly syncing changes across selected and connected OTA channels with just a few clicks. Automatically optimize room pricing based on demand, occupancy, season, and market trends using rack rate logic, multiple period discounting, minimum and maximum rate limits, and maximum room allocation for each category. Create smart pricing structures by automatically deriving flat or percentage-based rates from a base room category without manual calculations. Smart inventory management with availability updates and real-time OTA sync. Manage and monitor room inventory month-wise with an easy-to-use availability calendar, room restrictions, stop-sell controls, and real-time master channel synchronization. Instantly update room inventory across multiple room types, date ranges, selected days, and OTA channels from a single smart dashboard. Instantly update room inventory across multiple room types, date ranges, selected days, and OTA channels from a single smart dashboard. Track and manage all reservations from one panel. Search Booking lets you quickly find reservations using filters like date, booking status, payment type, and channel for faster booking management. View complete booking details, track check-ins, checkouts, and monitor booking status in one centralized dashboard. Today's check-in checkout lets you quickly track daily arrivals and departures. View guest, room, and billing details from one dashboard. Waitlisted bookings helps you monitor pending reservation requests in real time. Quickly review booking details and confirm or cancel requests from one panel. Manually fetch and sync reservations from selected OTA channels for seamless booking management. Channel connectivity with rate plans and promotions. Connected Channels gives you a complete view of all integrated OTA and distribution partners in one place. Easily monitor active channel connections and manage distribution seamlessly for real-time inventory synchronization and wider online reach. View pricing hierarchy, rate restrictions, active status, and OTA rate plan details from a single dashboard. Create promotions by adding a promotion name, discount percentage, selected date range, and OTA channels with ease. Simplify hotel operations with task automation and real-time sync. Track inventory pooling and bulk update tasks with channel details, booking ID, stay dates, availability changes, update status, and timestamps. Automatically deduct inventory and update room availability across all connected channels in real time. Automatically update rates in real time and sync changes instantly across all OTAs.